Okay, P4. We'll be looking at Chapter 2, Wikipedia. Okay, so let's first just have a quick look at this video explaining what Wikipedia is.
Oh, Soo-chung, isn't it Wikipedia? How did you find this website? When I'm working on my book report, I have luckily found this encyclopedia website. One of the articles provides all the Could you tell me more about this website?
Okay, so there's a quick explanation of what Wikipedia is. Let's have a read of this. Wikipedia is a free, collaborative, and multilingual encyclopedia that contains almost all aspects of human knowledge. Wikipedia contains millions of articles. Okay, so first thing is collaborative. Like it said, anybody can add information to this website. Anybody can edit or create a document. So first of all, let's look at the interface of Wikipedia and its articles. So as the largest source portal in the world, the simple and neat interface of Wikipedia helps us writing, editing, and reading. Okay, so let's have a look at the website. You can read this PDF yourself. So let's go into Wikipedia. And let's look at let's look at Iron Man. Okay, so you can see here we've got our menu here. This tells us what is about with Wikipedia. Here we've got our title, and here's our information. We've got our images here and some key information. So it's first created in 1963. It's made by Marvel. It's created by these four authors. It's got in-story information, so it tells us about when and what different things it's involved in. What else have we got? It even gives us an abilities list. Now here we've got a menu. So it's a menu of contents of all the things which this page has. So we can look at, say, armor. So it gives us a history of all the armor. Now you might see that stuff like this with this little number where I link up onto it, it's a reference. So if I scroll all the way to the bottom, this is our reference list. Everything which goes on here, all the information which goes on here, has to be referenced by either one or two things and will be checked. Okay, so you can see that this last piece, a TV show here, is cited by two references, and I can click on those references. Okay, when click it, these references show us that somebody else has said this before. So it's not me just making it up. I can't just make information up. I have to cite it. If not, that information might be taken down. So let's look back Okay, so we can edit stuff. Now, if we look on here, we can see that there isn't any place to edit stuff. Okay, now what we need to do is we actually need to create account, or you can see here that this article is semi-protected. That means only certain people can actually edit it. Now, if I pick something, so I'm going to say North Walsham Rugby Club, which is my home rugby team. Okay, so this is a website which, as you can see, is not protected. Now, on here, you can see that there are buttons where it allows you to edit. So we can see this is all the different information on here. And if we want, we can click on the edit button. Now, what does it originally say? So it says you're not logged in. But if I logged in, I would be able to add my information into here, and that would appear on the website. Let's look back at the chapter. So we're going to search information in Wikipedia. So let's just have a quick look at the video. Excellent. So there's another explanation of how to use it. Okay. Let's have a look at the next page. So here's an explanation just of that video. And you can, of course, see this PDF when the work's handed out. So let's read this part. Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia that everyone can edit, regardless of his age, culture, or social background. They can learn through searching information in Wikipedia. However, all information provided by Wikipedia is not genuine, and we have to analyze carefully before using the information. So, as your practical part, what I would like you to do is on the Google Forms, you will need to search out and find the answers to these questions using Wikipedia. You'll also have a worksheet and some more questions which will also be on Google Forms. Make sure that you are keeping up with your typing club. I can see who has logged on and who hasn't.